Hello students, welcome to SGRBCC. I am Sampath. So in this class we will discuss paper number 298, reasoning paper. See the first one, directions 1 to 5. Study the following information carefully and answer the given below questions. 8 persons M, N, O, P, Q, R, S and T sit around a square table such that 4 persons sit at the corners, remaining 4 persons sit middle side of the table, but not necessarily in the same order. The person sit at corners facing away from the center. The person sitting middle, they are facing center. They are facing toward the center. So here we have 8 persons. They are sitting in around a square table. 4 persons are middle and remaining 4 are the corners. And those who are sitting in the middle, they are facing center of the table. Remaining 4 persons facing outside the table. Okay, so 2 possibilities we can solve. See the first one. O sits second to the right of M. 2 persons sit between O and N. Okay, so O is the second to the right of M. Suppose if take M here, O is placing here, and if take M in corner and O is placing here. O is second to the right of M. Next, 2 persons sit between O and N. So there are 2 persons sit between O and N. R is to the immediate left of N, and P sits second to the right of S and doesn't face towards the center. T sits adjacent to O. Okay, so T is the adjacent to O. 2 persons sit between O and N. So between O and N, there are 2 persons are there. Here N is placing, and also one more possibility, here N is placing, and N again N. There are 2 persons. Okay, N is placing here, 2 possibilities. Next, R is to the immediate left of N. R is the immediate left of N. So here immediate left of N there is M. So this one is not applicable. So R is placing here. And next, coming to this point, here M is immediate left of N. Here N is not placing, and R is the immediate left of N. P sits second to the right of S and doesn't face towards the center. So P is the second to the right of S. Second to the right of S. So if S is placing here, P is the second to the right of S. P is placing here, and P is facing outside the table. And coming to the second possibility, P is second to the right of S. Suppose if S is placing here, P is coming here. P is here, center here. Okay, so there is no possibility here. This possibility is not applicable. Next, coming to the next one, T sits adjacent to O. T is the adjacent to O. The remaining person that Q is placing here. Okay, so it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. See the first question. How many persons sit between P and O when counted from right of O? So from right of O, so O and P, and 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 persons are there. Who among the following person third to the left of Q? Third to the left of Q, that is S. Question number 3. So doesn't belonging to the group. Which one doesn't belonging to the group? First, Q. Q is center and M center, O is center and N is corner and R is center. So odd one is N. All the persons sit alphabetical order starting from M in anti-clockwise direction. Then the position of how many persons remain unchanged excluding M antunnadu. Starting from M, so starting from here anti-clockwise direction. So M, N, O is not changing, P, Q is not changing, R, S and T. So only 2 persons are not changing. Option 1. Next, if T related to N, in the similar way Q related to O, then which among the following related to R? So first of all, T related to N. So T here and N here, it is the relation. Next, Q related to O. So and Q here and O here. Okay. And next coming to the R. So, R here. So, already Q is related to O, then R is related with M. Okay. So, option 3 is the answer. Option 3 is the answer. Let us move on to the next one. See the question number 6 to 10. Question number 6. If all the digits within the given numbers are arranged in ascending order from left to right, then how many odd numbers will be thus formed? So, here we have a number series. There are totally 5 numbers are there. What is the question? All the digits within the given number are arranged in ascending order from left to right. So, first of all 684. So, 468. Next 839, 389. Next 569 and 127 and 348. Okay, it is the arrangement. How many odd numbers will be formed? Odd numbers 1, 2, 3. So, totally 3 is forming. Next question number 7. 1 is subtracted from all the digits which are greater than 5, and 1 is added to the all the digits which are smaller than 5 in the given number. Which of the following number will be second highest? So, first of all 684, 839, 596, 712 and 483. So, first what we can do? 1 is subtracted from the digits which are greater than 5. So, subtracted, 1 is subtracted, that is 5, 7. Next 7, 8 again. So, 5 is same and 8 and 5. Next 6, 1, 2 as it is, and next then again it is the 7. Next 1 is added to the digits which are smaller than 5, that is 5 and 4. So, next 2, 3 again 5 and 4. So, it is the arrangement. Next, which of the following number thus will be second highest number? Second highest number, it is the highest number, and second highest number, that is 623, that is 712. 712 is the answer. Next, if all the first and third digits are each number is interchanged, how many numbers thus formed are divisible by 3? So, interchange first and third number, that is 486 and 938, 695 and 217 and 384. How many numbers are divisible by 3? So, first one 3 ones, 3 6 times, 3 2 times, it is the divisible by 3. Next, it is not divisible by 3 and not divisible by 3. Next, not divisible by 3 and 3 ones, 3 twos, 3 8 times, it is also divisible by 3. Only 2 numbers are there. Next, question number 9. If the given numbers are arranged in descending order from left to right, the position of which among the following number will remain unchanged? So, remain unchanged antunnadu. So, first of all we need to arrange descending order, it means larger to smaller. So, first one 839 and next 712, again 684, next 596, 483. How many numbers are will remain unchanged antunnadu? So, first of all first place 684, that is 839, this is unchanged. Next 712 changed, and third one 596, it is also changed, and next one is changed. Last number, this is not changed, only 483. 483 is not changing their position. Question number 10. If the third digit from each number is dropped, then how many numbers thus formed will be a prime number? So, third digits when we dropped, so first of all 68 is the even number and 83 prime number, and next 59 is also prime number, and 71 3 2 times, and 71 is also prime number 3, and next 48 even numbers. So, how many numbers are there? Totally 3 numbers are there. Okay. It is the number series question. Let us move on to the next one. Inequalities is there 11 to 13. Question number 11. So, see, y greater than d. So y here and before y both are opposite signs are there, okay, and d here. So y greater than d, it is not following. So y greater than d, not following. Next question. X less than or equal, next a less than q. So a less than q, a here a equal to s and q here a to q, it is also not following. So it is also not following. So neither one or two follows, neither one or two follows. Next, coming to the next one, x less than or equal to n, x less than or equal to n, x here and n here, okay. So here opposite signs are there, so this one is not follows. Next, coming to the second one, f greater than m. So instead of f we can write x also. Why? Because x equal to f, and instead of m we can write n also, okay. Directly you can take x greater than n. So in first conclusion already x less than or equal to n definitely not follows. Coming to the second one, this is also not follow, but both are complementary pair. What is the answer? Option 3, either 1 or 2 is follows. Next, question number 13, t greater than or equal to n. So t here and l here, okay. So here before so see l less than or equal to b, less than or equal to t. So l to t definitely follows, relation is definitely follows. Next, d greater than v. So d here and v here. So see d greater than b, b greater than v. So v, d greater than v definitely follows, both 1 and 2 follows. Option 5 is the answer. Next, question number 14 to 18. So one more puzzle here. See the first one. 9 persons sit in a linear row such that all of them face towards north directions. So there are totally 9 persons are there. It is the middle one, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 plus 4 8 and 1 is 5. It is the right side of them, it is the left side of them. See the first one. R sits fourth to the right of V, where both of them doesn't sit any extreme end. So R is the fourth to the right of V. Suppose V is placing here 1, 2, 3 and 4. R is placing here. Next, if V is placing here 1, 2, 3 and 4. R is placing here. It is the second possibility. And coming to the third one, if V is placing here 1, 2, 3 and 4. R is placing here. Okay, it is the third possibility. Next, one person sits between R and S. U sits to the immediate left of S. Okay, so one person sits between R and S. So R and S. Okay, it is the one possibility, and R and S. And next, R and S, again R and S. So ikkada kuda S vastundi. Ikkada kuda manam S teesukochu. Next, here we don't have any place to write. So R and S, S is placing here. Next, U sits to the immediate left of S and U doesn't sit adjacent to V. So U is the immediate left of S. So if U is placing here, both are adjacent to each other. This one is not applicable. So U is not coming here, U is here. Okay. So S is not placing here. And next, coming to the this one, here also S is there, S is there. U is placing here, and here S is not placing. Okay. So here also same thing. Ikkada kuda manaki ikkada U vaste ganaka ikkada illidaru kuda both are adjacent to each other. So the possibility 3 is not applicable. Okay. So remaining student okkasari, the number of persons sitting between R and S is same as immediate left of. So the number of persons sitting between R and S is the same as the number of persons sitting between V and T. So between R and S there is one person is there. So V and T, one person is there. So here one person and here also one person. Here two possibilities. T sits to the right of Q. So T is the right of Q antunnadu. So ikkada T raadu. Okay. And Q who sits second to the right of X antunnadu. So Q, so T is the right of Q and Q is the second to the right of X. Suppose if placing Q here and X is placing here. Okay. Next, coming to the this one, suppose if Q is placing here and X either here or here. So no, not. So x is placing here only. Next, W sits to the right of P, who doesn't sit adjacent to T. So W is the right of P antunnadu. So W is the right of P, and W is the right of P, and P is not adjacent to T. So here both are adjacent to each other, but second possibility, there is no adjacent between P and T. So this one is not correct, only this possibility is correct. Let us move on to the questions. Question student ఒకసారి 14. See the first question, question number 14. Who among the following persons sit fifth to the right of P? So fifth to the right of P, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is W is the answer. Question number 15. How many persons sit between X and who sits immediate left of U? Immediate left of U, that is R. Between X and R, how many persons are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4 persons are there. Question number 16. Which among the following statement is true? No one sit to the left of P. It is the correct one. And even number of persons between X and S. Between X and S, 2, 4, 6. It is also correct one. No one sit between W and T. So that between W and T, there is no one. So all are correct. All 1, 2, 3 are correct. Question number 17. The number of persons sit between X and T, as the same number of persons sit left of dash. So between X and T, so X here and T here, between both there are 2 persons are there. So left of S, so left of V, there are 2 persons are there. Okay, what is the answer? Option 4 is the answer. Next, 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way. Which among the following doesn't belonging into the group? First one, X in the middle, Q is the middle, and S sits in the S వచ్చేసి కార్నర్ లో ఉన్నాడు, R is the middle, and W sits in middle. So what is the odd one out? That is S. Next, question number 19 to 21. Directions, and see the first one. Directions student ఒకసారి. A person start walking from point T in west direction and walking 10 meters, he reaches point X. So first of all, point T, from point T he traveling west direction, that is 10 meters. After that he reached point X. Next, from point X he takes left turn and walks 9 meters. So from here he walks 9 meters and reaches R, point R. He reached point R. From R he takes left turn and walking 5 kilometers. So again 5 and reached point V. Next, from point V he takes left turn and walks 3 meters. So again he takes left turn and walked 3 meters to reach point Q. And next, from point Q he takes 2 consecutive right turns of 8 meters and 6 meters and reaches point S and point U. 2 right turns. So first one is 8 meters. So it is the 5, again it is the 8 meters. So it is point S. From here again he turned right, again 6 meters he travelled and reached point U. Next, from point U he takes left turn, walks 7 meters. So again he walks 7 meters, reached W. Okay, so it is the final arrangement of these directions. So from here to here. Okay, so the distance here is that it is 5, and so from here to here 3, it is the 6 meters. Okay, and next one, from it is the 10, it is the 5 in the sense ikkada nundi ikkadiki vachesi it is the 5 meters. Okay, so let us move on to the questions. Questions ను బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం ఆన్సర్ సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. See the first question. Okay, just wait. Question number 19 చూడండి ఒకసారి. See question number 19. What is the shortest distance between Q and W. So, and Q here and W here, what is the shortest distance? So, need to find E distance to manam find out cheyali. So, from Q to S it is 8 meters and here to here and ఈ విధంగా ఒక రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ మనం ఫామ్ చేస్తే it is 6 and it is 7. So, it is 8. So, 8 plus 7 that is 15 square plus 6 that is 6 square. Okay. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus adjacent square. It is 225 plus 36. So, 11 and 6 261 and h is root 261 meters. Option 3 is the answer. Next, 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way. So, which among the following does not belonging into the group? So, first of all, V and X. So, V here and X here. Okay, it is the direction. Next, U and Q. So, U here and Q here, it is the direction. Next, W and S. So, between S and W, it is the direction. Next, T and R. So, T and R, it is the odd one out. Next, W and T. So, see W and T, it is also this direction. Okay, so only option 4 is the odd one out. Next, if the person takes a left turn from W, so from W this person takes left turn and left turn and walks 12 meters to reach Z. So, it is the 6 meters and it is also 6 meters. It is here Z is there and T and Z both are in straight line. And next, what will be the shortest distance from X and Z? From X to Z, what is the shortest distance? From here to here, it is the 10 meters. Okay. And it is the 10 meters. So, from here to here, it is the 7 meters and it is 10 and it is 8 plus 5. It is 8 plus 5, that is 13. 13 in the sense 13, it is 3 meters. That is 10 plus 10, that is 20 meters. So, what is the answer here? That is 20 meters is the answer. 10 plus 3 plus 7, that is 20 meters is the answer. Next, question number 22. Sun is coded as 54. Sun is coded as 54. Next, wet is coded as 48. Then what about cut? Cut is coded as what? See, first one, sun. So, student ఒకసారి sun, S is 19, okay, numbers, and U 21, and next N is the 14. So, 9 plus 1 10, 14, it is 54, the sum of all these numbers. Next, coming to W, W value is 23 plus 5 plus T value 20, that is 43 plus 5, 48, it is also satisfied. Then what about cut? Cut is C3 and U value, that is 21 and T value 20, 3 plus 21 plus 20. So, 41, that is 44 is the answer. Next, 23 to 27 చూడండి, here we have one more puzzle is there. 6 persons F, G, H, I, J and K visit Delhi on 2 different dates, either 12 or 17th of 3 different months, March, June and August. March, June and August. Each of them like different chocolates, Kit Kat, Dairy Milk and Munch, Perk, 5-star and Snickers. All the information are necessarily in the same order. So, ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం తీసుకోవచ్చు directly, we can take directly March, June and August. And each one has 2 different dates. So, the dates are 12th and 17th, 12, 17, again June 12, June 17, March 31 days, June 30 and August is 31 days. Okay. So, first possibility and second possibility. So, 2 possibilities we will try. See the first one. K visit 3 persons before the one who likes Kit Kat, and K visit on an even numbered date. 2 persons visit between the one who likes Kit Kat and the one who likes Snickers. G visit 2 persons before H and visit in the month having minimum number of days. So, G visit 2 persons before H and visiting in the month having minimum number of days, and I visit immediately before G on an even numbered date. So, student okkasari G is the clue here. G visit 2 places before H and visit in the month having minimum number of days. Suppose if G is G minimum number of days in the sense that is June, G visit in June either 12th or 17th. So, first of all G is taking here 17th June and second one is here. Okay. G visit 2 persons before H and before H. Next, I visit immediately before G on even number date. So, I visit even number date, that is 12th. If I is here, I is 17th, so this one is not applicable. So, okay, this one is not applicable. Obviously, G visit in the month June and G vachesi here and H here, I is obviously here. These are the definite statements. Next, the one who likes 5-star visit after I, but before the one who likes dairy milk. And next, F visit before J who does not like Munich. So, okay, again we will try this puzzle. So, K visit 3 persons before the one who likes Kit Kat. K visit on even numbered date. Okay, K visit even numbered date. So, only one possibility we left, that is K is placing here. Okay. Here also same. So, no need to do second possibility, only one possibility ne manaku saripotundi. Okay. And K visit 3 persons before the one who likes Kit Kat. So, if Kit Kat is placing here, okay, 1, 2 and 3, K is placing here. So, 2 persons visit between one who likes Kit Kat and one who likes Snickers. So, between both there are 2 persons are there. Next, I visit immediately before G and the one who likes 5-star visit after I, but before one who likes dairy milk. So, here 5-star and dairy milk is placing here. And next, F visit before J. So, F visit before J, F and J, and does not like Munich. So, F does not like Munch and Munch liked by I and F liked by remaining person, that is Park. Okay. It is the final arrangement. Let us move on to the questions. Question student okkasari, question number 23. Who among the following person like Park? So, that is F. How many person visit between J and Snickers? So, J here and Snicker here, 3 persons are there. Next, question number 25. Which of the following does not belonging into the group? K visit in March 12th. H is also August 17th, and Park is also 17. J is also 12, and next the one who likes Munich, that is I. Okay. So, H and J both are in 1 month, and K and Park both are in 1 month. Okay. This one is the odd one out. Question number 26. Which among the following statement is true? K visit 12th June. So, K is the March 12th and no one visit after J. Wrong, and only 2 persons visit before one who likes Munich. It is also correct. It is the correct one. So, I likes which among the following chocolate? That is Munch. I is Munch. Next, question number 28 to 30. 7% deposit a different amount in bags. So, there are totally 7 persons are there. It is the minimum, it is the maximum, and see the first one. A deposit more than E but less than E. So, A is more than E but less than D. 2% deposit between A and B who deposit less than E. So, between A and E, so A and B there are 2 persons are there, and B is less than E and N. So, here 1 person is there and here B is placing. Okay. So, between A and B there are two persons are there, one of them is E. Next, C deposit more money than F. So, C is more money than F. And next, and who deposit less than B. So, C deposit less than B antunnadu. And next, D doesn't deposit highest amount. So, D and next, so next that is A and C is placing here, and next that is E. So, C deposit more than F and less than B. Okay. C is more than F but less than B అంటున్నాడు ఇక్కడ. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ D doesn't deposit highest amount. సో ఒకసారి కండిషన్ చూద్దాం, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెక్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే. సో A deposit more than E and less than D, 2% deposit between A and B, and who deposit less than E. Okay, only 2 persons are there. C deposit more than F and less than B. So, C deposit more than F and less than B. Suppose E here and this person and if B here. Okay, ikkada condition anedi mistake ichinaru, less than D I think. So, less than D anukunte ikkada. So, ikkada less than D raskondi, less than D raskunte. So, ikkada ఏమవుతుందంటే, సో ప్రింటింగ్ మిస్టేక్ పడింది, సింపుల్ ప్రింటింగ్ మిస్టేక్ ఇట్ ఈస్. So, see here D is placing and A, here C is placing, and next again E, and next B, and next finally F is there, here G. So, between B and A there are 2 persons are there. So, it is not D, it is B. Next, C deposit 5,000 more than E, so but less than G antunnadu. Okay, C is 5,000 more than D, it is X, and C is 5,000 plus X. Okay. So, it is the final arrangement. So, just a small simple mistake it is. Next, how many persons deposit more than B? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons are there. If E is deposits 20,000, and what about C? So, if E is 20,000 and C is 5,000 more than E, that is 25,000. Who among the following deposits the third highest amount in the bank? That is A. That is A. Next, question number 31 to 35. So, చూడండి ఒకసారి. 10 persons buy 3 different shirts and red, pink and blue. At least 2 persons, at least 2 but not more than 4 persons buy the same color shirt. So, how many shirts are there? 3 shirts, it is red and next pink and blue. There are 10 persons are there. So, at least 2, at most at least 2 nundi and more than not more than 4 persons. O and S buy the same color shirt but not blue. So, O and S and O and S. So, 2 possibilities. P buys the different color shirt Q and S. Okay. So, P buys different color Q and S. Q buy neither pink color nor shirt with the same as Q, O. So, O here and Q not pink also. So, Q is placing here, and also Q వచ్చేసి Q neither by pink color nor same as O. So, pink color ante ikkada either Q here or here, 2 possibilities. Next, P buys the different color shirt as Q. So, P is placing here, and next so here P is placing or here P is coming, and next U buys the same shirt as P. So, U is placing here, here U. Next, R buys the different shirt as Q and O. So, R buys different shirt as Q and O. So, Q and O. So, here R is placing and here R is placing. Next, Q and O, here R is placing. N and T buy the same shirt. N and T buy the same shirt. Okay, these 2 are same. So, ekkadaina ravachu vallu. T doesn't buy the same color as S. Okay. So, T is not placing here. So, N and T ikkada manam place cheste ikkada total 5 persons vastaru, but condition not more than 4 persons. So N and T here, N and T placing here. And next, so ikkada manam first possibility lo chuste T doesn't buy the same shirt as S antunnadu. So ikkada raadu T, and also ikkada already 3 persons vachinaru kabatti along with Q, N and T. Q, N and T. These three are one pair. Next, T doesn't buy red color shirt. So T is not red color shirt, in the sense here Q, N, T not is placing here. If Q and T not coming here, here R, U and P is not coming here. So here Q and T, Q, N and T. Next, and next V and M buy different color shirt, and next maximum number of persons buy red color shirt, and M doesn't buy the same color shirt as U. Okay, so V and M buy different color, and M does not buy same color shirt as U, and it means M is not here. If M is not here, here V is placing here, and if V is placing here, and next తర్వాత ఏంటి V. సో V ఎక్కడ వస్తాడో మనం ప్లేస్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ మ్యాక్సిమం నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పర్సన్స్ ఆర్ రెడ్ షర్ట్ అంటున్నాడు, ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ 2 persons ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి సో దిస్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఈజ్ నాట్ అప్లికబుల్. దిస్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఈజ్ నాట్ అప్లికబుల్. సో రెడ్ కలర్ R, U, V and P. నెక్స్ట్ పింక్ O and S and T, N and Q. సో V and M ని మనము అడ్జస్ట్ చేయాలి. సపోజ్ సో M ఈజ్ ప్లేసింగ్ హియర్. ఓకే, సో M ఈజ్ ప్లేసింగ్ హియర్. సో 4 and 4, 8, 9 and 10. ఓకే, సో 9 and 10 అన్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ రెడ్ వచ్చేసి మ్యాక్సిమం నెంబర్ కాబట్టి, అలాగే ఇక్కడ బ్లూలు కూడా మ్యాక్సిమం నెంబర్ ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి M వచ్చేసి నాట్ కమింగ్ హియర్. సో M ఈజ్ ప్లేసింగ్ హియర్. ఓకే, M ఈజ్ ప్లేసింగ్ హియర్. కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫైస్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఫైనల్ అరేంజ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ది puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. So questions చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. See the first question. Who among the following person buy blue shirt? So blue shirt T, N and Q. So T, N and Q. So except M. So all except M. Next, question number 32. Which among the following doesn't belonging into the group? So P, R, O, V and U. So P, R and U and V all are buying red shirt except O. O is buying pink shirt. Question number 33. Which among the following statement is true? Odd number of persons buy blue shirt. So it is correct. P and T buy different color. So P and T both are different color. And even number of persons buy pink. That is not correct. Only 1 and 2 correct. Option 4 is the answer. Next, if the price of each pink shirt is 580, and next price of each red is 756, then what will be the total price of shirt by M, P and U? So M, P and U. So here M is buying pink, so pink is 580, and P is buying red, so red color, that is 756, and U is buying also red, it is also 756. So 12 and 18, 19 and 15 and 20, 2092. So 2092 is the answer. Which among the following color shirt does buy V? So that is red color shirt. Next, so see the questions 36 to 40. Study the following series carefully and answer the given below questions. See the first one. If S is added to the starting of each given word, how many meaningful words are formed? So first one S star, next SLDB, so it is not meaningful word, and SNUF not meaningful word, SPCG not meaningful word, SALT salt is meaningful word. Only 2 meaningful words are there. Next, if the first and second letter of each word interchanged, how many words thus formed are starts with vowel antunnadu? So start with vowel in the sense, so first of all A, so ATR, it is the vowel 1, and next, so second letter manaki vowel aithe, that is our answer. So second one D, it is not answer. U, it is the answer, and next C and L. Only 2 is the answer. Only 2 is followings. Next. So, in the given words, if the letters which are come before M in alphabetical series are changed to the second succeeding letter as per alphabetical order and rest remaining as it is, then which among the following word has exactly 2 vowels? So, before M వచ్చే letter ఏదైతే ఉందో ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ సిరీస్లో దాన్ని టూ డిజిట్స్ మనము చేంజ్ చేయాలి, 2 letters మనం చేంజ్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చే 2 lettersతో. సో సి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ TAR. సో TAR. సో ఇక్కడ T is after M and A before M. So A, B and C. So T as it is and R is also after M as it is ga ilage petti. There is no vowels. So we need to find exactly 2 vowels. Next tarvata L, D and B, B, C and D, T, E, F, L, M, N. So here also no vowels. Next N, U and F. So N is after M, U after M, F, G and H. So H, U, N. Okay, only one vowel. It is also not our answer. Next P, C, G. So P is after M and C, D and E. So G, H and I. Okay, here 2 vowels are there. So one వచ్చింది మనకు. Next A, L, T. So A, B, C, L, M, N and next T. So T is after M. Okay, so only one word is placing, that is P, C, G. And next, if all the consonants in each word changed to the immediate preceding letter as per English alphabetical series, vowels remain same. Then how many words thus formed starts with the letter which has place value greater than 12. So greater than 12 after English alphabets లో 12th లెటర్ తర్వాత వచ్చేటువంటివి ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి స్టార్టింగ్ లెటర్, దాన్ని మనం వీ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ దట్. సో సీ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్, that is TAR. So TAR, all the consonants are changed immediate preceding letter. So first of all T, it is S, A as it is and R before R, Q is there. And next second one, that is LDB. So L, M, not previous letter kada, so previous letter in the sense K. So C and A. And next word, that is U, N, U and F. So N before M, U as it is and F before E. Next coming to the next P, C and G. Before P, that is O, B and before G, that is F. Next last word, that is A, L, T. So A as it is L, so L before K and before T, that is S. Okay, so remaining vowels are same. How many words thus formed starting letter start with a letter which has place value greater than 2? So S is, so S value is 19, so it is the answer. And next K value, so K value is 11, so it is not our answer. Next M, so see M వచ్చేసి ఏంటి, M value వచ్చేసి it is more than 11, more than 12, it is also answer. And next O వచ్చేసి 15, it is also our answer. Next A, so A is 1, it is not our answer. Only 3 pairs we are getting. So what is the answer? Option 1 is the answer. Next 40, if the place value according to alphabetical series, all the letters each word is added, then find the word which has prime number value అంటున్నాడు. సో ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ వాల్యూ, సో ఏమేమి ఇచ్చినాడు చూద్దాం ఒకసారి మనం. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ TAR, LDB, NUF and PCG, ALT. సో వీటన్నిటికీ ప్రైమ్ వాల్యూస్ మనం యాడ్ చేయాలి. వీ నీడ్ టు యాడ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వాల్యూ. సి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ PC and G. So first option is PCG. So P value is 16, 3 plus 7, 10, 20, 26. It is not prime number. Next ALT. సో సి ఏఎల్టీ చూడండి ఒకసారి. సో ఏ ఈజ్ 1, L is 12 and next T is that is 20. So 20, 22, 33. So 20, 22, 23. Okay, it is prime number. So it is also prime number. Next L, D and B. So L, D, B. So L is 12, 4 plus 2. So 12 plus 4, 16, 17, 18. It is not prime number. Next NUF already మనకి 23 వచ్చేసింది కదా. సో 20, 20, 32, 33 it is not 23, it is 33. Next NUF. సో NUF చూడండి ఒకసారి, that is 14 plus 21 plus F is 6, 10 and 11, 41. So 41 is the prime number. What is the answer? Option 5 is the answer.